Hello everyone, so if you want to check the battery temperature on your Motorola Edge 50 Pro, first of all, you want to open up your Play Store, you gotta open up your search tab, search apps and games, and now we gotta search for GCPU. CPU. Alright, now press install. Alright, press agree. Just like this, we need to verify whether this is ourselves, right? Downloading this application since not anyone else. So as it is installed, it was pretty fast, as you see. Now we simply gotta press open. All right, press consent. And here we see a lot of different informations, but we're interested only in our battery. So find your battery tab, here it is. All right, watch some ad. This application is free. You're paying for its freeness by the ads. And here you can see your temperature. So now it's 27 Celsius or 81 Fahrenheit, which is kind of high to me, but it's all right. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.